Alright, so me and Caesar just went to the store. We went to Best Buy. I picked up a extra battery for the G7X because we're going somewhere soon. Don't want to spoil it yet, but in about a week we're gonna be going there. You'll see, be ready. But we also went to the 99-cent store and we picked up explosives. Not crazy fireworks, but they're just little things to light up and have pop. But we'll see how these go. I just got called into work too, sadly. Just as we were getting our raspados, they were like, hey, come on in. I was like, ah, whatever. Fuck it. Well, we're gonna light these up, see how these go. And alright, Caesar, get this one popping. Alright, light that shit up. That's not an explosive, it's just a smoke. But it's cool, I guess. Some blue smoke. Alright, let me try one. I wanna light one of these up so we could light this up and use a spark to light the rest up. Last year we had an incident where we put them all in a pile and one spark turned all of them on and it ruined our 4th of July. 4th of July is coming this, what day?
Wednesday.
This Wednesday. I work, but I think we're gonna get some more fireworks. We're gonna light them up when I get home from work.
I got scared.
Let's try another one.
See.
Alright, what'd you pick up? Smoke. No, that's like a little grenade type of thing.
I'm gonna do it on the floor. Cause I don't want to burn. The calm one.
Which one do you guys like more? The smoke bombs or the mini grenades? Comment down below, please. So what I want to do is set up 2 smoke bombs, you in the middle. So we're thinking about the thumbnail. This probably isn't going to be in it. Okay, so I want, oh, stop. 2 smoke bombs. What's up? Alright guys, we just got back. We went to the mall, did a little shopping. Because as I told you guys, in a week, we're going somewhere special. Stay tuned. The vlogs are going to be lit. It's going to be insane. And you guys don't want to miss it. So if you haven't subscribed, you need to subscribe right now. Like, pause the video, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell because you need to be notified when we upload. Trust me, you'll regret it. But right now it's dark. It's almost, right now it's 8:54. We're gonna go blow whatever little cuetitos we have out there and see the sparks. So let's get it. We need a lighter. Diego's over there chilling, killing, being a villain. But we're gonna go to the backyard, light them up, see what happens. Obviously, you guys know 4th of July is fun for us, but for the dogs, it is hell. So if you have dogs, keep them indoors, keep them safe, get a leash on them, make sure they're wearing their ID. Make sure they're wearing their ID and be safe. Check this shit out. Yesterday I went to the Dollar Tree. I picked this up just for fun. This thing is extremely loud. Extremely loud. You gotta be careful with this. Treat it as a gun, basically, but I'll show you guys real quick. Not something to be messing with. Alright, Caesar, come on. Diego, are you gonna join us? What? You and I gonna join us real quick? Or no? What? We're just gonna go to the backyard and light up the little ones we have. All right, let's go, Caesar. And shout out to my dad. He bought some actual like fireworks to really put on a show tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. Let's get it. We got the back puestas, we got the lighter. Let's get the show on the road. Wrap. These ones aren't gonna do too much damage to you. They're just a little popper. So all you do is got that on the camera though. Gone wrong. Right.
They're the popping ones.
You can come a little closer, I guess. Smash that damn like button. So tomorrow I work at 3, sadly, but before we're gonna go get some more of those popping things just for fun. They're not too serious, but they're kind of fun to look at. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1. Smash that damn like button. And subscribe. Okay, okay. Gotta watch the damn. Oh. Shit, dude, I thought they were coming for us. I was like, fuck, these aren't even illegal though.
It's the police?
Yeah, police. You gotta be careful with the camera. No cheese spots to the camera. Alright, light that shit up.
Smash the like button because it's weird.
Yeah. Boom. Smoky, smoky. Boom. That smoke though.
Is that the... What is that one?
Watch out. Alright, this is for you guys. I don't want this. Don't try this at home, you guys. Try it at a friend's house. Alright, this is cheers to ADC necessities. Oh shit.
That's like this.
Holy fuck. May burn you, Caesar. Alright, you guys, we're gonna see you tomorrow. Stay tuned. Tomorrow's the show. Tomorrow's the grand finale of fireworks from the ADC Necessity House. Brought to you by Dad. But yeah, man, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm pretty excited. Stay tuned. What's going on, you guys? Happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th of July.
Happy freaking 4th of July, you guys. We ain't celebrating no Independence Day, though. We just cuetes, a little family gathering, food, chilling. We ain't celebrating shit with no America. Look at that. Y'all see the flag up there somewhere? Check it out. But also, y'all see this flag over here? Shout out, my boy. Yeah, Mexican flag right there. Shout out. But no, we respect, but we ain't celebrating no independence out here. Just fireworks, chilling, killing. Now let's have Diego say Happy 4th of July. All right, Mom. Say Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
Yeah. Alright, Caesar. Alright, look guys, look what we picked up. We just went to the 99-cent store. We picked up 2 cases of crackling balls and 2 cases of smoke balls. Stay tuned for that when I come home from work. They're threatening me out here in this house. They're like, no, we're gonna blow them when you go to work. And no, we're gonna do them early. Because when you get here, it's gonna be 11:30, 12 o'clock, and everyone's gonna be sleeping. I said, F it. Let's do it still. It's 4th of July. Screw what other people say. But no, they don't want to wait for me. Alright, so these smoke ball sacks. Literally, ball sacks. We got a bunch of smoke ball sacks. 2 cases of these, and then we got the I called them grenades, but they're like little crackling balls. pretty chill. What do you think?
Sounds fun.
So I spent about 25 for 2 cases. He spent about 25 for 2 cases. We wanted to split the money, but that's how that goes. But I'll catch you guys when I'm home from work, when we're ready to get the show on the road. But happy 4th of July. Let's get it. Alright, you guys, we did not show you the big surprise, I guess. It's something my dad picked up. Check this out. Let's go in a better lighting situation. Caesar's doing the reveal. Ready, Caesar? Hold it. Alright. Wait, I don't know if I showed you guys first. Before this, I don't know if I showed you the whiteboard. 1, 2, 3. Alright, you guys, read that shit. Whenever you feel bad, remember that Coca-Cola only sold 25 bottles the first year. Never give up. Gonna have that truck 3 more months. Let's go. Alright, for the review now. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Alright, it's 49er net content, 20 pieces. Warning. We got a 20-piece set here. We're gonna get this right after work though. Contains top selling family favorites, glow fuse. Let's go. Smash the like button if you're excited for tonight. Shout out to my dad for getting this. Appreciate it so much. So we got this warning stuff. I mean, safety, responsibility. So for real now, I'll catch you guys when I'm back from work. See you guys then.
Bye.
Got you there. Don't go. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, I just got home from work. It's time for the grand finale, brought to you by my dad. My dad isn't really in the conditions to be doing it right now, but I am, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. Mom's gonna record. Shout out to mom, from dad, and mom. Ooh. Alright, ready, you guys? First one of the night. Smash the like button, subscribe. Thank you for waiting for me to get out of work for the grand finale of tonight's spectacular show of the ABC Necessity family. Go. On the show. Oh no. Alright, that was that. We gotta make sure we take these out. We don't want them exploding. Alright, now we're gonna go on to this one. This one is called the Monster Blasts. Blasts.
Blast.
Blasts. Blasts. Okay, this one, it's wait, these ones are the same ones that we have here. Watch, light it up. Show the camera though. Light it up on the camera though. Show the camera though. Yeah, put it down. Nope, not. Catching, light it. Oh no.
It's gonna be a mess. Tomorrow, you're gonna clean, and you are going to clean.
We got the Silver Snow fountain. It's exclusive. So what we do here is we got the glow in the dark fuse. So it's not even glowing. So that's the fuse right here, and we're gonna go ahead and tear that.
¿Estos son los que compró tu papá?
Yes. Shout out to Dad for buying them.
A ver.
He's not enjoying it though.
Hey.
Alright guys, spectacular. Let me know when it dies. Alright Caesar, now let's get on to the next one. Alright, let's go. Let's get it. We're gonna go with this sparkly glory. So let's go. That was a nice one. Now we got the lighting flash. Caesar, you recording this or what? Okay, these are gonna probably flash. So
Who's gonna clean that mess?
my dad.
No, he's gonna work. ¿Verdad? ¿Tú vas a limpiar?
Alright, here we go with the flashers. The flash slinging. The hash slinging. The flash slinging. I mean the lash slinging. In a good angle?
Sí.
Alright, here we go guys. 3, 2, 1, press the like button.
You only light out 2.
I will. Maybe those 2. Oh, that's right. That's really right.
Through the camera, it looks better. Look.
Oh yeah, I know. Oh, we got that last one. While this one is lighting up, we're gonna go ahead and get the next one. Caesar, may you do the honors. This one. All right. Raging Zombies. Yeah. Shout out to Call of Duty Zombies. This one's called the Raging Zombies. So all we do is
Are
light
those
this up.
illegal?
No, they're legal in the state of California. And my dad said anything that flies up is illegal. All right, let's go.
You get it?
The Raging Zombie.
What is that?
Where's Diego? ¿Sí?
What's this?
He's not enjoying our family.
The Color Shock. Color Shock. That's a Color Shock. Be warned. Say what you want to say. Alright, we got
Y Papa Necessity, ¿qué? A ver, you, hey, I need reaction? What?
Alright, you guys, we're gonna move on to the Pistol Pete TNT. Let's go! Pistol Pete! Alright, that was it. That was the Cuerno de Chivo. Now we got the last one, the Blazing Rebel. You guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. What else do they have to do, Caesar? So like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and we're gonna catch you guys in the next video. It's gonna be good. You're gonna want to subscribe and stay tuned to the vlog we're gonna be having soon. I'll catch you guys there.
Happy 4th of July.
Yes, happy 4th of July, you guys. Stay safe. Peace.